2016 Nissan Sentra, how to do rear brake pads. So we have the caliper here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this lower bolt, and this bolt is part of the sliding pin, so this whole thing should just slide out, and then we can lift up the caliper. So we're gonna loosen the lower caliper bolt. It's a 14 millimeter. And once you have that out, we're gonna lift up the caliper. Put the caliper somewhere safe on the top. We're gonna remove the brake pads. These are the old brake pads. Next, we're gonna remove the hardware kit from the top and the bottom. You pry it with the flathead screwdriver and it should come right out. We'll take the new brake pads, the new hardware kit. We'll put one on the top, one on the bottom. Tap it a little bit. So the metal shim sits flush, and you do the same thing for the top. Next, we're going to take the brake pads. These are the brake pads. One of these brake pads have a sensor which goes in the bottom on the back. See the brake pad sensor? This is the rear indicator. It's this in the bottom and on the back brake pad. Once you have both brake pads in there, we're gonna put grease on this edge and on the inner pad's outer edge. We're gonna do the same thing. So now the brake pads are greased up. Next, we're gonna take the caliper compress tool. We're gonna compress the brake piston on the caliper. Just like that. If you have one of these compress tools, you could use it just like that. And you push the piston back in there. Remember to pump the brake pedal once the car comes down. And then you bring the caliper down. Be careful with the rubber bushing, the boot for the sliding pin. And then we'll take the caliper sliding pin, stick it inside, and lock it up. And make sure it's nice and tight. And that's how you do brake pads on the rear of a 2016 Nissan Sentra.